Okay, I think I can get this off with the forks. If I can just get one fork in there, we'll give it a try. If not, I'll end up chaining it. Okay, so trying to get one of the forks in from the back did not work because the top parts of the jaws, if you will, just kept, the hydraulic cylinders, kept expanding. So I'm gonna have to try it from the side. Let's see how this goes. Shuffling some equipment around, putting a few of these I'm actually selling, this disc, box blade, back blade, but I'm going to put the lower value items outside, if you will, and the new skid steer stuff inside, like the